Hey folks, how's it going? It is hailing like a motherfucker outside. Damn. Holy shit. Look at that. Wow. That's crazy. I hope everyone's safe out there. And I hope that hail doesn't get any bigger. Oof. Good luck, people. Good luck. I wouldn't be driving in weather like this. Holy smokes. I still got that to open today. That's my book that came in from Washington State Humanities. I Sing the Salmon Home. One of my finest achievements. Wow. I hope everyone has a good day. I'll try to go live sometime soon later. Sometime later. Peace. Manzoni_streams on Twitch.